Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Since it is now officially springtime, here's a few tips about spring flower gardening.
As a general rule, annual flowers last only one season and are used for mass plantings or accents around trees and entrances to create eye-catching color. Also used in color bowls and hanging baskets to decorate patios and around pools and entryways.
Examples of these flowers are alyssum, begonia, celosia, lobelia, marigold, petunias, and snapdragons. Many of these plants will reseed and pop up again the following spring. Year-round perennial varieties include dianthus, dusty miller, gazania, lantana, sunscape daisy, chrysanthemum, geranium, penstemon, and salvia. There are also many very colorful perennial shrubs that are great for the warm weather. Yellow bush daisy, bush morning glory, butterfly bush, Mexican petunia, roses, and bell varieties.
Some of these perennial flowers and shrubs may freeze back or go dormant in the winter, but can be cut back in early spring and will come back bigger and better the following season. Also, the hardy evergreen flowering shrubs, Indian hawthorn, pyracantha, abelia, rosemary, and star jasmine. These plants are just starting to perform their best and will be at their peak from now through May. Use these plants as accents. Spread around your yard to catch the eye, and use groupings of annual color to fill in empty spaces, pots, and planters. Some prefer more shade and others more sun.
Then follow our planting guide instructions. Improve the soil with lots of organic matter like our pay dirt planting mix, and add a starter fertilizer like Dr. Q's Gold Dust. Most varieties like good drainage and prefer ground irrigation like drip emitters or soaker tubing as opposed to overhead watering. Many also flower longer if old flowers are picked off, and they are fertilized regularly with our Dr. Q's Rose and Flower Food. Spring color is great in containers and will brighten up your outdoor living space.
For more information, check out our free star notes 300 and 310 at starnursery.com or on our free app.
Remember, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.